everyone. My name is Ronak and you're watching VectoArt. So in today's video, we'll take a look at this awesome website called Kickresume, which will help you create beautiful resume quickly with the help of artificial intelligence. And these have nice customizable templates, which will help you create your perfect resume. So without any further ado, let's get started. And those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. It means a lot and it motivates me to create more such videos. So let's start first by creating my resume. You can click on this. You can log in and you will be brought to this beautiful dashboard, and then you can click on create new resume with AI. Here this AI will ask you, or this AI wizard will ask you some few questions. For example, it will ask you first your name, so let's type your name here, and then it will ask you your recent job title. Let's say analyst, and then it will ask you to choose from the templates that are available for me, the most three recent ones, or you can browse them all, but I will go ahead and select one of the three. So let's select this first one, and the AI bot will work its charm and it will create you this beautiful looking template, and it has the basic information like personal information, profile, work experience, skills, strength, hobbies, which will visit one by one. So let's start first by the personal information. There are other options here as well, like the AI toolbox, the design, the proofreading, the download, and share. So let's go back to the design. So let's go back to the fill in section, and here you can see we have a preview and we have the examples which you can choose from. There are guides on how to create a professional looking resume. There are videos, tutorials on how to use this website to create your perfect resume. There is also an help center if you are stuck anywhere, but this again helps you to resolve any issues. If you are also purchasing the premium version, then you get extra support from the help center. So let's go back to the preview and look at the basic things that you can change here. So let's start by editing our picture. So let's remove this photo and let's upload a new one. Let's select the image. Okay, so let's zoom in a bit and let's say save. So that is how you can add a picture. And let's say the title before was Master. Let's say 4 5. Okay, and let's give the email address, the date of birth, say, and you can also provide any links if you have to your website. And then you can see the AI has given a nice profile description based on the um, role that you selected. And then you can go to the work experience where it has also added the description of the work that an IT analyst does. So that is nice. Let's give the city information, country, let's give a time period. And so on. So I hope you get what it is trying to do. So all that is done, then you can add skills. These are the skills that it has predefined and added based on the role you selected, but you can drop or you can move, or you can add more skills if you want. Moving ahead, you can add your strengths. These are the strengths of an IT analyst, but you can add more strengths if you want. You can type them, or you can choose from the suggestions here. Then it is the hobbies, and it shows you nice icons here. You can move these icons, um, or order them, and you can add hobbies based on the icons here, and then give a description. Then you can add new sections like achievements, and you can write your achievements here. You can add your awards, certificates, and so on. So all these can be achieved using this nice website and AI. So hope you guys liked watching this video. If you do, please do subscribe to my channel.